This 2023 Starcraft Super Lite is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, leveling jacks, slide-out, oven, water heater, refrigerator, LP detector, spare tire kit, self-contained, TV, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Starcraft Super Lite is 5,615 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.